Welcome to the Unidata tutorial on how to use the drawing properties when displaying watches, warnings, and advisories in AWIPS Cave. This capability is unique to the Unidata AWIPS build and will allow you to change the default display and sampling settings. Let's start by loading some WWA data from the Surface menu. I am going to load all weather statements. This may take a little while to load because it is loading many resources. Once fully loaded, let's hide some of the resources for the purpose of this example. Recall that we can toggle the visibility by single left-clicking the resources we want to hide in the resource stack. I am going to hide all data except for the flood, watches, warnings, advisories. To customize this display, we can use the new Drawing Properties window. Hold right-click the resource in the resource stack to open the context menu. Move your cursor to Open Drawing Properties and let go. A new window now opens with options for each of the types of records in the resource. We can now fully turn off drawing any one type of record by unchecking the display options. For example, I could display only warnings. If you ever want to return to the default options, you can click on Reset Defaults. Also, you may notice that the options for Statements Other are grayed out. This is because the drawing properties provide options for only those types of records available at the time of loading, and the flood resource does not have any records of this type. Let's look at another example of this. Make tropical marine watches, warnings, advisories visible, and open drawing properties. Notice which types of records are grayed out and which are not. If none are grayed out, then all are available. When editing the display of multiple resources at once, note that the resource name is listed below the dialog title in the Drawing Properties windows. Let's now customize sampling for our display. Recall that we can turn sampling on by hold right-clicking anywhere in the map editor, and then select the sample option. Now that sampling is enabled, we can toggle visibility of sampling for record types as well as between separate resources. This is especially handy when you have other resources loaded, such as radar, and only want to see that readout. Note that sampling appears only when moving your cursor over the shape, specifically the outlined area or thatched fill, but will not appear if just hovering over the text or time. For technical support, you can reach us at support-awips@unidata.ucar.edu. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.